Sa aking mga kabata ni Dr. Jose P. Rizal.
It was a long-held belief that the poem Sa Aking Mga Kabata was written by Dr. Jose P. Rizal. According to popular belief, Rizal wrote the poem in 1869 to express the importance of loving one's native tongue. This is the poem where one finds the popular line, ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita, mahigit sa hayop at walansang isda.
However, in his recent book Rizal, Makata, National Artist for Literature Virgilio Almario clarifies that the poem was not by Rizal. Almario provides pieces of evidence to prove his point, and one of these in letter Rizal wrote his brother Paciano in 1886. In the letter, Rizal admitted to finding it difficult to translate into Filipino the German word Freiheit or the Spanish word Libertad, which Rizal found in the story of William Tell. It was Marcelo H. Del Pilar's translation of Rizal's article, El Amor Patrio, ang pag-ibig sa tinubuang lupa, that Rizal saw the word Malaya or Kalayaan as the Tagalog equivalent of the word Libertad. According to Almario, since Rizal only discovered the Tagalog word Kalayaan when Del Pilar translated El Amor Patrio in 1882, it was unlikely that Rizal wrote Sa Aking Mga Kabata, which uses the word Kalayaan in 1869. Nonetheless, the poems deliver a very patriotic message, particularly about the use of one's native language as a way of expressing love for one's own country. This poem was later set to music by Pedro Galmaitan Santos, a composer from Bulacan.